Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC coin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this big down channel. When I shared my last video on GTC coin, at that time it was dropped at the support of the channel, and this was the video by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it spiked very well. And now after this short rally, the price and again read the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared 2 days back on 8th of August 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared on 8th of August 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gardner pattern that GTC formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 23% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish versus sharp pattern that GTC completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 19th of Feb 2023. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was almost 14% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that was getting completed on a daily time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line first dropped down and completed the leg here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And after hitting the sell target zone, the price and again moved down. Then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 60% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GTC. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line was previously moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting quite squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price line broke out the resistance, but could not continue its move to the upside only because of this downtrend line resistance of another down channel. And you can see we had stabilizations here and here as well. And now recently, after getting bounced from the support of this channel and this long-term support of 85 cents as well, the price and again read the resistance of this channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after this powerful attempt to break it out, the price and rejected by the resistance of the channel, and now it is again moved very close to the support of this channel and this support, a quite long-term support of 85 cents. Once the price end will be able to break out this down channel, that can be a very, very nice buying opportunity, and then we can expect a very nice long-term rally. The target, by the way, for this down channel breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $3.50. And the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.